Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. To replace the left door hinge on your dishwasher, you will need to pull the dishwasher a few inches away from the cabinet. If the water and power supply lines do not provide enough slack to do this, you will need to fully uninstall the appliance. To do this, turn off the power to your dishwasher and shut off the water supply valve. Use a 5/8" wrench to unthread the water supply line fitting from the shutoff valve. Be prepared for some water to spill. Use a Phillips Head Screwdriver to unthread the screws to release the lower access panel. Unthread the screws securing the inner access panel. Lift up the panel to detach. Remove the nut and bolt securing the grounding wire to fully remove the panel. Next, unthread the screws securing the junction box cover. Then pull the cover off. Note the location of the wires. Then untwist the wire nuts to disconnect the wires. Unthread the wire strain relief nut and detach the strain relief from the junction box. Next, disconnect the drain hose from the sink drain or garbage disposer. Feed it through the cabinet. Open the dishwasher door and remove the mounting bracket screws. To move the dishwasher, you may need to adjust the front legs to lower the appliance. Now, very carefully pull the dishwasher away from the cabinet. Open the dishwasher door and use a T20 Torx Bit Screwdriver to remove the screws, securing the inner door panel to the outer panel. Loosen the door latch mounting screws. Separate the door panels and set the outer panel aside. Pull the door spring down so you can detach the door cable from the spring and remove the cable. Use pliers to depress the tabs to release the retaining clip from the hinge. Next, remove the screw securing the support bracket to the hinge and unhook the bracket. Unthread the screws securing the door hinge to the inner panel. You can now slide off the old hinge. Prepare the new door hinge for installation by detaching the retaining clip if intact. Now position the new hinge on the inner door panel and on the hinge pin. Replace the screws to secure. Hook the support bracket onto the new hinge and thread the screw. Snap the retaining clip into place to secure the hinge. Hook the door cable link onto the hinge. Align the cable on the pulley and hook the looped end onto the door spring. Reinstall the outer door panel by aligning it on the control panel. Rethread the screws to secure the inner door panel to the outer panel. The longer screws go at the top. Tighten the door latch mounting screws. Make sure the drain hose and water supply line are accessible through the cabinet wall. Then gently slide the dishwasher back into the cabinet. Adjust the leveling legs if necessary. Replace the screws to secure the mounting brackets to the cabinet or countertop. Feed the drain hose through the cabinet and connect it to the sink drain or disposer. Make sure the hose is elevated above the connection point. Fully position the wire strain relief in the junction box. Secure the strain relief nut. Connect the wires using the wire nuts. Align the cover and replace the screw to secure. Secure the grounding wire to the inner access panel with the nut and bolt. Set the panel in place and rethread the screws to secure. Realign the outer access panel and secure it with the screws. Feed the water supply line through the cabinet and reattach it to the shutoff valve. With the repair completed, turn the water supply back on, as well as the power, and your dishwasher should be ready for use.